Hello everyone, welcome back to It Is Good Times. I hope you all are doing good and are safe at home. So some of you wanted to watch the full video of the place I visit often. So here it is, and I hope you'll enjoy the video and the nature too. So if you're new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when I'm online. And if you really enjoyed the video, then put the thumbs up and share button. So now let's go. So we'll be going to the other side of the wall, and it just takes 5 to 10 minutes from my home. So now we just entered this side of the wall, and that's the entrance from where we came in. In the beginning of the video, you saw me there. I was there some while ago, and the view from this side of the wall looks something like this. I was just playing around with the dry flowers. Never mind. Come over here and I'll show you my favorite spot, and this is the bougainvillea tree, and right under the tree there's that bench. This looks so good. I mean, this gives an aesthetic look to my pictures. I love clicking pictures here. So right over there is a Shiva temple, and next to it is this massive field. Look at the clouds. I just get mesmerized by the view here every time I come. Also, you can witness the Brahmaputra river. It's clearly visible from the place where I'm standing right now. So you might be wondering, where am I and where is this place? So this is basically an institute. I'm inside an institute. So these are the departments. Right over here is the Turner, and that's the Mechanist department. So yes, it's an industrial training institute, and it remains closed in the evening in the normal days, but it's locked down, so it's fully closed now. And people come over here to spend their evening by doing jogging, walking, learn to ride cycle, play cricket, footballs, and blah blah blah. Because of the situation right now, it's all empty. However, this place is never so overcrowded, so I enjoy my time here. Let me show you my another favorite spot here. is this place. Again, a tree and a bench underneath. So this is another favorite place to take pictures, and I love this frame. And did you notice that this whole area is covered with green? I love this feeling. In the meanwhile, let me tell you something more about me, that I am truly a nature person. I love nature. Since childhood, I grew up witnessing greenery everywhere. My home is surrounded by the nature, and I have always remained close to the nature. And you know, I was so enamored with the way nature worked. Everything used to amaze me as a kid. I'm thankful to my childhood experiences because I have learned how to truly value all the facets of nature and be grateful. See, their photo shoot is going on. That's Mithi. And that's my elder sister. Hey, that's Mithi. Okay, come. She has got her own YouTube channel. She has got her own YouTube channel. So go follow her. Great dancer. And she's a bit funny. So you'll enjoy her vlogs too. So yeah. She's my best friend also. Also come sister.
Please go subscribe to my channel and also subscribe to her channel. She's the most precious.
So go subscribe my channel, also her channel.
Lots of love.